new Oculus is here. The new VR headset.
The new VR is here. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, I've been waiting for this. Oh boy,
boy. Sleep in a bed.
Well, man, beds don't really like me.
What do you mean they don't like you?
Well, oh, hello, beautiful bed.
You suck.
Okay, Jesus. Oh my God. It's here, guys. Well, it's time for some VR horror games. Oh, this is gonna be fun. For you. For me, not really. I don't like horror games, so I get super scared. But what is up, guys? My name is Tony, and welcome to Tony's new studio. Yeah, I'm changing apartments and studios like I change my freaking socks. So, once a month, pretty much. But it's all about living life to the fullest, man. Taking advantage of every opportunity you get. Right now I have the opportunity to unbox this bad boy and play it, and I'm so excited, man! What I have to say first is that the packaging and overall everything here is super expensive and looks super deluxe. It feels so nice and it feels expensive. I can't wait to try it. By the way, this is not a paid or sponsored video. I do this absolutely free. I even paid for the Oculus myself. And I have over 1 million subs.
6.5 hours later.
Alright guys, I've set everything up and I've tried the demo, and I gotta say that this was the single greatest gaming experience I've had. At least recently. I mean, look at these controllers, that is so sick! Alright, time to play a game. Let's do this. Look at this, look at my home! My home is sick! Look at this, oh, I can point! I can point to stuff, look at me, I'm pointing! I'm pointing there, I can see you there, red dot. I want to press you at some point. What else do we have here in our beautiful home? Got a lovely display in front of us. Look at the fireplace here! Look at this! Look at the fireplace! I already feel warmer and cozier. It did take a while to set everything up, but this is just so much better than the old Oculus. It's insane how much better this is. Right, and point to there and press and press. I pressed it. This is so cool! Oh my God, okay. I hope you guys can experience at least a little bit of what I'm experiencing. I'm gonna try my best to record everything. Hello? Who the heck are you? Jobbot. Look at my hands! These are my hands! Oh my God, can I take your card? Oh, museum curator. You know what? Take your stupid card. I don't... This is so crazy! Everything is interactive. Wait, can I throw something else at him? Hey, ha! Oh, I missed. Stupid job bot. Punch him. What job are we gonna do? I can do an office worker, stone clerk, gourmet chef. I mean, oh, you do? You sure do. You know what? You know what I think of this office worker? That's what I think about it. Can I show you the finger? I can show you my index finger. Anyway, how do I start? And turn on. All right, let's go. Let's do the job. I couldn't be a gourmet chef, so I'll be an auto mechanic, which is obviously the next logical thing, right? Okay. Shut up! No, hey, come on. Where'd the robot go? Hey, no, I missed. God damn it. Throw the energy drink at the stupid robot. No, I missed again. God damn it. Trick shot! Stupid robot. Okay, what the heck do I do? Take the chain, pull the chain up, and we're opening our shop. Hello, robot people. What's up? You got problems with your car? I can fix it. Here, take an energy drink. All right, let me open this up. See what we got under the hood. What are you working with here? Needs a little fluid, eh? Oil? Does it need oil? I want to pour some oil in. There you go. Got some oil. You can take this as a souvenir. Or you know what? Take some gas. Take some gas, and you can bring the rest home. All right, and bump. All right, you need more gas. Okay, I got it. I got more. This is a lot more where this came from. Throw this. You need more gas? More gas? You don't go to the mechanic to get gas. What the heck? Stupid robots don't know nothing. Hey, can I put my finger in this? Ooh, oh! Nope. Can I pick it up? I picked it up! Oh! No freaking way, man. How did that? What? Oh! What? How the heck does that work? You gotta be kidding me. There's no way. There's gotta be a coincidence. There's no way that I blow it and steam comes out in the game. Let's see here. So, your car runs on a potato. Well, that might be the cause of the problem, dude. That might be the cause of the problem. Alright, I cleaned this sucker up real good. Alright, let's see what else we can do with this car. Alright, steering wheel. Turning the tires. See, all that's working fine. What about this? Shifting the gear a little bit. AC, can it reach the AC? Nah, no way, I can't reach it. Whew. All of this is getting me excited. Hey, boss, oh, the energy drink. All right, and you take it. Oh my God, this is so amazing, guys. I can see my freaking hands. Whew, man, I'm sweaty. Oh boy, that was intense. Oh man, I'm so sweaty. Alright, I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I just wanted to make this a little review, not really play a game. What I really want to do is play horror games with this for the channel. That's gonna be freaking amazing. But until then, man, I'm sorry, but I gotta end it off here because your boy Tony is tired. It took a while to set all of this up, but I did it. Everything for you guys. Anything for the freaking Alliance. But thank you for watching. Hopefully I have enjoyed this video. If you want more Oculus Rift stuff, be sure to let me know, and I'll see you next time tomorrow for a new video. Until then, my name is Tony. Bye bye. Stay freaking awesome, guys.